Now with the Osmo Action 3, I swore I locked the orientation, and when I turn my camera on,
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
it was doing some TikTok that's gonna come to YouTube. Let's not get involved in that. I'm in ultra wide, so I'm just holding the camera in hand. I hope my other side of the hand is not in the way. And there I go. Now I am holding it with my left hand, but I'm not happy holding it that particular way. But yeah, you get to see the, steeplechase parachute jump. They got neon colors at nighttime that lights up to about 1 o'clock in the morning. After the season's over, they don't light it up. It costs a lot of funds to light it up. And who's going to pay for that? You, not me. Me, you, them, everybody put together. So, do you like the ultra wide of the Action 3? Or maybe you like the de-warp of the Action 3. Does it get the same shot like the GoPro does? I don't think so. You're missing the top, you're missing everything widely on the camera. It is what it is. You'll decide which one you like. You want more, and then the Action 3 may be the camera to get, because GoPro is doing what? Not hyperlapse, ultra wide, whatever they call theirs. I just can't remember keeping up with today's technology anymore. Well, they say fair is fair. This is wide, and the only difference is you're not cropping as much. Why do we use rock steady and hyper smooth, and when we're standing still? You're gonna sit there and change those settings and waste all those minutes just to get what you want, and then forget that you forgot about it? So yeah, like said, rock steady is off. And it's gonna be a little shaky, but you got software that could correct it. You know what? I'm done. I'm gonna put the Action 3 back in my pocket for the reason of it's not a bike friendly camera for me. I find it so difficult to hit the on and off of the shutter every single time when the GoPro is like a baby's butt, super soft.